Hello, welcome to another Malta Network Resources video. I'm in Valletta in Malta, it's the capital city, the city of the Knights of St. John. I want to show you some of the streets. This is during the pandemic, so we're still under a lockdown of the second wave. I know that some have called it a third wave, but I think it's still a second wave. So let me see if I can cross safely. And let me switch the camera. And that's Castile here and Castile Square. I want to walk. Cafe Castile is open. You can't, however, eat inside. It's only takeaway. Okay, I want to show you a bit. Baraka Gardens. After Baraka. So basically everything is still closed right now. This is April 2021. During the pandemic, schools have reopened last Monday. What's this building? Maltese flag over there with the white and red. And here we have some Chinese. I think this is the China Cultural Center, yes. So this is also of interest. They organize the Chinese Spring Festival. Usually, of course, this year with the pandemic, this wasn't held. I filmed it a few times. You can see those videos on my channel, past videos. As you can notice, you'll see shops which are closed. This one, Mamar Boutique. Just wandering around and we'll see what we'll find. Bonnici's Printing Press. Asti Guest House. Chanel's Nail Parlor closed. Easy School of Languages, they're closed also. Please do not sit on any of the doorsteps. Hello, some pigeons. But these pigeons aren't interested in talking, so keep on. There's a British hotel. get used to this hotel. More balconies, wooden balconies. Don't think this is an operation, British Hotel at the moment, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it might be. Dear guests, for the time when being closed, please use entrance in 40 Battery Street, Valletta, round the corner. Thank you. So it's not closed, sorry. Dolceria Croce Bonaci. When closed, call on the mobile. Some clothes. And the Maltese flag. A worker working on the roof. On the roof. Harbour Hotel. This is entrance round the corner. Domicilia Bar. So you can't now have a cafe here. You have to order your food or cafes. There's a nice cat here. Meow. Grand Harbour Hotel. Enjoy this view of Valletta. This is Battery Street. Check out my other video if you haven't seen it. My video of the gun salute for the late Prince Philip, where the saluting battery gave a gun salute with the cannons, basically. Okay. So you can see the cannon up there. Okay, that's where the cannons are located, where the salute was given from. Here we have an old British telephone box. So if you currently can't come to Malta because of the travel restrictions because of the pandemic, at least you can view some of it in this way. Likewise, at the moment I'm not traveling, so at least this way through YouTube we can enjoy some of the sights. Okay, so I didn't know that here we had some love padlocks also. So basically lovers put these padlocks, you know, with the heart here, and there's another one there. Anyway, it might be a bit silly or romantic depending upon one's point of view. And that's Victoria Gate. Okay, we've just passed Victoria Gate. So this is Victoria Gate. That's Victoria Gate. Victoria Gate. These are St. Barbara bastions. So these are the Saint Barbara bastions. Very peaceful day. 17 degrees Celsius. It was a bit cold earlier, but now the sun seems to have come out. So that's Victoria Gate, named after Queen Victoria. Okay, so thanks for watching. You'll be able to click on these videos up here on the right or on the left. They will be shown there for you. If you want to view other videos, I encourage you to view other videos from my channel. And bye from Malta Network Resources in Valletta, Malta, the city of the nights. Goodbye.